Guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can save thousands of dollars on that repair. Stay with us, we'll explain how. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you haven't got Dodge Challenger, you have a problem where you feel vibrations under acceleration. When you accelerate, you feel vibrations kind of like under the transmission shifter, under the seat. You feel vibrating, you wonder what causes that. It could be quite simple fix. Do not spend thousands of dollars on that repair. Stay with us, we'll explain how you can save thousands of dollars, guys, and fix it probably for $40–50 yourself. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have vibrations when accelerating, you feel vibrations under the seat and the transmission shifter, see what you have here, guys. Okay, this is your rear drive shaft, okay? Now, that support bearing is right under, kind of like the transmission shifter. That supports the drive shaft to the body of the car, in the middle of it. Now, watch what happens. The rubber, okay, bushing practically disintegrated. It fell apart completely, and as a result, what happens? It's not supporting that bearing. This is the bearing right here, and it's not supporting it. It's supposed to be like that, keeping it fixed to the car. But when you don't have it, okay, you're going to have, guys, okay, that drive shaft vibrating there, and as a result, okay, you may even feel violent vibrations depending how bad it is. Now, when you guys, okay, when you actually go to a dealership, mechanic shops, often they'll try to actually sell you the whole assembly. Why? Because you cannot replace that bearing. The drive shaft is not the one that you can take apart like the BMWs that we work on all the time. It's kind of like pressed in, so it doesn't work. But you wonder, okay, how I can do that? It's possible, guys. Okay, we'll have a special video, complete video, how to do it step by step. But you use that two-piece bearing right here. This is a two-piece bearing, and what we're going to do, cut that one, okay, with a grinder, so it can go through the drive shaft. And later, this one, okay, that bracket, okay, you see how it comes in two different parts. It has two bolts that hold it together later. That part is going to come, guys, okay, and support the bearing like that. You can see, and you'll come on top, okay, and you're ready to go. So when you feel those vibrations, most of the times it's a bad drive shaft bearing that you guys need to replace on your Dodge Chrysler vehicle that causes that. So guys, if you have a Dodge Challenger, you have those vibrations, that's the quite easy fix. You can replace the drive shaft. We'll have complete video how to do it, how to remove the complete drive shaft without removing exhaust or anything like that. It will take you probably 30 minutes to do it, 30 minutes to put it together. You're ready to go, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.